Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jane. I talk about how to style classic and colorful outfits with simple and classic items. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
Let's unbox it. The boy belt bag is made of beautiful caviar leather in coated diamond print. There's Chanel logo at the hook. There are 3 length options. And there's 1 big compartment inside. Let's see what fits. I'm gonna try with my lipsticks and AirPods. Turns out you can't put them vertically. If I try to put them horizontally, then it works. Next, I'm gonna try my name cards. I have 15 of them in a stack. Then I put my lipsticks horizontally at the bottom. Then I put my AirPods on top. It works. For my hand sanitizer and AirPods, I find that I'm not able to close it when I put them vertically. If I put hand sanitizer and lipsticks horizontally, then it works. Now let's style it. I hook my belt bag to the shortest length with my all beige outfits. Then I have my top and jeans. Then my black top and skirt. Next, I'm gonna try it with my casual dress. Unfortunately, with my dress, the chain is too long. So let's try to shorten the chain. You can simply crisscross the chain, close it. There you go. It fits nicely on a high waist for my casual dress, as well as my day-to-night web dress. Next, I'm gonna style it with my favorite outfit, my white top and white leg pants. You can also add your blazer to make it even more edgy and cool. There are more ways to use it. For example, you can use it as a mini crossbody bag or a necklace. So cute, isn't it? Or you can even attach it to your tote bag. The possibilities of this belt bag are endless. I find it very easy to style, and also the belt bag is very chic, very cool, very feminine, and also very edgy at the same time. You can basically match it with any outfit, and I hope you like the belt bag as much as I do. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!